What's up guys? Some days ago we tested the new wireless earbuds with active noise cancelling from Tranya company. I really liked that earbuds, and I even called them the best TWS earbuds under $100 in 2023. And now I have another model of wireless earbuds from the same brand. It is called Tranya T6. Although these earbuds don't have active noise cancellation, they are packed with many other features, such as Qualcomm's 3040 chip with aptX adaptive technology support, a mobile amp with equalizer and other useful functions, 40 milliseconds low latency mode for microphones, and up to 34 hours of battery life. In this video we will do a full review of Tranya T6 wireless earbuds, and let's start with unboxing. By the way, you are watching Tech Brothers YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, so you don't miss new videos. The box of Tranya T6 has the same minimalist design as the box of Tranya Nova, and there is only company logo on the front and a model name on the back. When you open the box, first you find an envelope with user manuals in English and Spanish. Then there is a charging case in the box. You know, it is very compact. We will talk about dimensions of the charging case and earbuds a little later. The kit also includes a USB Type-C charging cable and a silicone ear tips in different sizes. You may have already noticed that I have earbuds in a pink color. That's the only color available for these earbuds for now. It is called Rose Gold. However, on the official website, I saw a picture of the earbuds in black, blue and some other colors. I hope they will be available on the sale soon. Talking about the charging case, first, it is very compact. Its dimensions are 60 by 32 by 25 mm. The weight of the case with earbuds inside is 45 grams. It is very comfortable to hold the charging case in one hand. By the way, it also has a nice metal texture. The combination of materials and colors makes the earbuds look premium. The charging case has a company logo and USB Type-C charging port. The earbuds have the same rose gold color as the charging case, but they are made of glossy plastic. As you can see, Tranya T6 is an in-ear headphones because they have silicone ear tips. However, the main feature here, in my opinion, is a physical control button. 95% of all earbuds on the market now have touch panels. I have nothing against touch panels, but I like to press a physical button and feel the pressure. We will talk about control functions later in this video. By the way, the size of single earbud is 27 by 16 by 27 mm. The weight is 4 grams. You know, I think the Tranya T6 earbuds are good for sports because they fit very securely in the ears. They do not fall out. In addition, the earbuds have IPX5, sweat and water protection. Tranya T6 doesn't have a stem, so I'm interested in the microphone quality of these earbuds. We will test it later. But for now, let's talk about the control functions. I remind you that the earbuds have physical control buttons. You can press once on the left or right earbud to play or pause the music. A double press on the earbuds switches to the next or previous tracks. You can also press 3 times on the left earbud to volume down and press 3 times on the right earbud to volume up. By pressing 4 times on the earbuds, you activate voice assistant on your smartphone. Finally, you can use the wireless earbuds to both answer and reject a phone call. You know, it has been a long time since I've used earbuds with physical buttons, and I have to say, it is very convenient. By the way, you can customize the controls in the mobile app. You can assign functions for pressing from 1 to 4 times, and even for long press. You could notice that the game mode is not available among the default control functions, but you can assign it in the app. We can also see the battery level of the earbuds in the app. One of the main features of Tranya T6 is equalizer. There are 4 default presets available in the app, such as balance, a bass boost, a bass reducer, and vocal boost. In addition, you can even tune the equalizer. The device settings menu has device name, equalizer, customized controls, product manual, FAQs, firmware version, and factory reset. Since the Tranya T6 has a game mode, we need to test the latency in games. First, let's try the earbuds with game mode off. Now I'm going to turn on game mode. You know, it is much more comfortable to play with game mode enabled, and because the sound has a minimal latency. The manufacturer claims it is only 40 milliseconds. Okay, now let's test the microphone of Tranya T6. As I said before, the earbuds have a full microphone system and Qualcomm CVC 8.0 technology. What's up guys, I'm testing the microphone of Tranya T6 earbuds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That is the sound in a quiet room. And now I'm going to add some noise. Hey, do you hear me? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I hope the noise cancellation is working well, because it is very noisy here right now. When it comes to the sound quality, I am amazed at what these little guys can do. Even though they have 6mm wool composite drivers, the sound quality is very decent. I didn't expect such powerful bass from 6mm drivers. You can also turn on bass boost mode in the app, and the bass will be even more powerful. However, the balanced preset is better for me. The new Tranya earbuds support Qualcomm aptX adaptive technology. By the way, I recently tested the Tranya Nova with active noise cancelling, but you know the Tranya T6 also has good noise cancellation thanks to the silicone ear tips and ergonomic design that you cannot hear anything around you. You don't even need ANC here. However, if you want to hear ambient sound, you will have to take one earphone out of your ear. In the case of Tranya Nova, you can switch on the ambient sound mode. As for the battery life of Tranya T6, you can listen to music for up to 9 hours on a single charge. The charging case provides another 24 hours of battery life. So the total playtime of Tranya T6 is 34 hours. That's very good for the compact charging case and the earbuds themselves. I guess I have told you everything about Tranya T6 earbuds, except the price. They are $59 on Amazon, but you can also use $10 off coupon. So for the price of $50, these are very decent wireless earbuds. I think Tranya T6 is more suitable for women because of their rose gold color and compact size. However, when the earbuds are released in other colors, and I hope it will be soon, even men will enjoy using them because they have good sound quality with equalizer settings in the app, low latency in games and a longer battery life. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!